We do this every year. It's called the EU Beach Cleanup. It is the opportunity we have all over the world to fly this flag and to do some good at the same time and to get out together and to help our community. We tend to talk about all the big things. How do we get the big countries that are doing all the pollution to come together and do what we in Europe are trying to do, which is to really cut all that terrible pollution? But we forget that all that is wonderful, theoretical, important, but we live in particular cities and towns, and we are parts of these communities. And when I see all this plastic out here, there are so many Americans, many more than we are, that come here every day, and I want to be able to feel proud to help clean up with all of us here, Europeans, this fantastic river.